Hey and welcome to this video. So in this video we're gonna install Visual Studio Code. In this course we're gonna use Atom throughout the course, but you are welcome to use any other editor you want. I'm just gonna give you some examples of how to install them and some editors you can use, so you will find the thing that works best for you. So to install Visual Studio Code you need to have Linux, Windows, or Mac. And in this case we're gonna install it on a Mac, and you just click download, you open the file, and then we are gonna wait for it to open in here, and then we are gonna place it inside the application folder. Make this a bit bigger, and then inside here we just open it, and then it will open up with the default windows. And of course, if you are a regular Mac user, you will notice that it will ask you if it's alright to open it, for the first time at least. And then you have the ability to create a new file, open a workspace, search for things, replace it, version control, debugging, download extensions, and so on. So this is a really great editor, but again, we're not going to use this in this course. But you can use any editor you want to, and even but I wouldn't recommend it if you wanted to use something like just a normal text edit that doesn't do highlighting. You could do that. I again strongly wouldn't recommend to do that, but you could do that. And you can also use anything online and use an online editor on that, because it only requires to have the ability to install SAS or have SAS installed. So therefore, if you are, for example, on a Chromebook, you could go to the internet and use something like Cloud9 or Code Anywhere, and then use that to do the programming in your instead, because then it will be really easy for you. And thank you for watching this video.